Today I'm okay, so mine is $2. I will sell. I am going to share today what sold in my reselling business for the week of April 27th through May 3rd. And I think you're going to be surprised what sold as we're heading into summer, because I surely was. Wait till you see the common thread amongst most of this week's sales. So starting with a jacket. So we have an alpine design quilted half zip jacket in a really pretty sage green color. And this sold on Poshmark for my full asking price of $38. Now this cost me about $9 on the Whatnot platform. I actually had priced it a little bit lower, knowing that we were heading into summer when I listed it, and it took about a month and a half to sell. I love the quilted look of it. I love that it has really fun pockets, lots of places to put your cell phone and all your other goodies. I was sure to include all of the measurements for this jacket, and I hope whoever purchased it absolutely loves it. Next up, we have these American Eagle jeans, and these are some jeans that I purchased at an estate sale auction, and they are a very small size. I noticed here that I marked them in the listing as a size 4, but when you look at the tag, it says it's a size 6. So it's a good thing that I put all of the measurements for the buyer, because I did have these slightly mislabeled. It is nice that they are a super stretch jean, and these sold in just 1 month, cost me under $1, and sold for my asking price of $27.50, and these sold on eBay. Another eBay sale for an item that I also purchased at that same estate sale auction. This was a really pretty Free People lace bralette, and it was new with tag. You can see the original price here was $38, and it is a beautiful color, but it is an extra small, and so I was thinking that may take a while to sell, but I used some really good keywords like strappy and lace, bralette, and I went back and forth with a buyer who was actually out of Canada, and she ended up purchasing it for $25. I had it listed at $32, and she bought it for $25, and it sold in just 20 days. Next up is another jacket that sold. Now this was a fun jacket that I found in the Goodwill bins. It's a Columbia jacket, and the neat thing about this is from either the 1980s or the early 1990s. And I swear my dad had a jacket just like this, all sorts of zippers, and these Columbia jackets are just so well made. I was excited to find it when I was at the bins, and it was heavier weight, so I probably paid about $4, maybe $5 for it because it was so heavy, but I knew that it would eventually sell. Now, granted, I did not think that it would sell in May, but here we are. Actually, it looks like it sold April 29th. So this jacket was listed for 3 months, and I originally listed it for $75. And I don't know if the buyer bought it because they loved the fact that it was old and vintage, or if they bought it because I also shared that it's oversized and tall, which is something that can be trickier for men to find. So the fact that the measurements of this work for somebody who is tall or oversized might have been something just exactly what they were looking for. So not a bad sale. Sold it when I had 10% off. I had it listed down to $49, and the buyer took advantage of a weekend sale I had with 10% off, and they bought it for $44. Next is another eBay sale. Now, this is one of the very first things I listed many months ago, over 100 days ago on eBay. And this is something that just came from my closet. It's something that I had actually never even worn. I bought it. I thought it was really cute, but then I never wore it. So I thought, let's get this sucker listed. And you can see that it's one of my original listings because the photo sizes are not very good. I don't have very many pictures. I don't have any measurement, but I do have a good little AI picture there. So that's nice. So this actually sold for my full price at the time of $14.95. I originally started this off at $22, and I kept lowering the price, and it eventually sold. And I used some really good keywords like hippie, boho, cottagecore, and great for layering. And just like that alpine design jacket, this is a very trendy green color. So I'm glad that it finally went to a new home. Next, we have an item I sold on Poshmark, and I absolutely love this crochet cardigan, and it really has a lot of layering to it. I don't know if you can see it in the picture. It is the brand Chico's, which is not something that I normally would pick up just for the brand. I definitely picked it up for the style. It's got some really fun and beautiful details. I was sure to put it a little crop top so that it wouldn't get lost in the coloring of my also whitish cream mannequin there. I wanted people to be able to see the really pretty details on this cardigan. It is something actually that the buyer could wear almost any season of the year depending on what they're layering it over. This sold in 45 days for my full asking price of $34, and the original retail price of this was $120. So the buyer did get a good deal, and that is a high price for Chico's. But look at how pretty that is. It's even got the fringe at the bottom. All right, here we have another jacket. Can you believe it? Another jacket. So what is surprising to me is that this jacket even sold, because as I'm looking at it, I'm like, oh wow, no wonder it took 4 months to sell, because what do you see here? This is a men's jacket, and I put it on an AI women's model. Oh goodness, I cannot believe I did that, and I'm not sure how that happened, but it did, and that is very likely why it took a while to sell, because this is not a well-known brand, but definitely a high quality brand. You could feel in the material that it was very nicely made. It had lots of pockets with zippers, and definitely could be worn also almost any time of year. So this sold for $25. I had started it closer to $40 and had lowered the price a little bit each month, and it eventually sold for this $25. So I didn't make much off of it, but I did find it at the Goodwill bins, probably paid about $3 for it, and still made a little bit of money on it. But definitely my mistake on this one is, for whatever reason, having that female model showing this off. But I hope whoever purchased it, male or female, absolutely loves this jacket. Now, my last item for the week, it's not something most resellers would pick up because the brand is Shein. Yes, the fast fashion brand, which I don't love at all. I don't love what they're doing to our landfills, but that's another reason why when I liked the style, I thought, okay, let's keep this out of the landfill and see if it could go to another home. I originally had it listed for $18. It sold in 2 months for $16, and it's just a neat look, and that's what made it catch my eye. I used words like goth, grunge, lounge, edgy, and these definitely could be a statement piece or even just something to wear to lounge around in. So I was glad they went to another home, even though I didn't make a lot of money on them. But I also purchased these at the Goodwill bins for probably somewhere between $1 and $2. So I was happy that those also made it to a new home. And that is all for the sales of this week. Check back for next week.